Jai Srimanarayana. 22nd sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Upadrashta Anumanta cha Bharta Bhokta Maheswaraha Paramatmeti cha Apyukto Dehesmin Purushah Paraha. Om. Realize that you are the master of your body and your sensory organs. Do not lose control on your body and your sensory organs. Keep everything under your control. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I am the master of my body and my sensory organs. I shall keep my body and my sensory organs under my control. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hridayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 249th day. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, O Krishna, please forgive all of my mistakes and bless me and give me permission for me to go back to my own world. Like that he said, and also again praying like this. This is the last sloka of Chaturmukha Brahma's prayer to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us also repeat this sloka. Sri Krishna Vrishnikula Pushkara Joshadayin Kshmanirjara द्विजपशु वुदधि वृद्धिकारिन् वुद्धर्मशार्वर हरक्षिति राक्षस धृक् आकल्पम् आर्कम् अर्हन् भगवन्नमस्ते. I chant it, you all please listen to it. Sri Krishna Vrishnikula Pushkara Joshadayin Kshma Nirjara Dvijapasu Vudadhi Vruddhikarin Buddharma Sarvara Harakshiti Rakshasadhruk Akalpam Aarkam Arhan Bhagavan Namaste. The same prayer Potanamatya says like this. Let us listen to this. Jishnu Nisata Vipatana Vrishhnikulam Bhoja Surya Vipramara Go Vaishnava Sagara Himakara Krishna Pashanda Dharma Gruhadavagni. Let us understand the meaning of this sloka tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Vishvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 22nd sloka. Vupadrashtanumanta cha bharta bhokta maheswaraha paramatmeti chapyuktaha dehesmin purushah paraha. Vupadrashtanumanta cha bharta bhokta maheswaraha paramatmeti chapyuktaha dehesmin purushah paraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.